First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nakamon, and please welcome our trainer, Mr. Itipong. And for our members, start from Ms. Vikana, Mr. Kunatham. Most of them support University Data. And for Ms. Sinha, Ms. Kanapon, and Ms. Dorjinasa support Compile Data. Now I will again give some background information of GPT. Most of our business are support like sale of car and dealership by import 14 countries, and our GPT part consists of 40 security part, vendor sale, procurement part, and Toyota control part. Before I start, I would like to give you an overview of presentation today. You can see on the slide, and the first topic that we use now is classify and select the topic. First step, we start from classify three topics from the 12 QC card. And you can see on the slide, the first topic we get a lost cost of transportation, retail land, and second truck location, and the last is unnecessary cost of non-general transportation. As you can see that we choose the topic is related with the important, urgency, possibility, and section target. And the highest score is on the truck recommendation. This is why our team chose this topic to study. Next step, you can see this picture. This picture shows that the truck we still have spare, but we could not combine to be full loading of truck. This is the reason that why we looking for the problem, why still have spare. So we start from the correct data about frequency of the delivery trip. We start from the 21st of February to 20th of March 2015, and we found that in Zone B has a total trip 135 or 37%. This is the highest frequency delivery trip. So let's move on to the title graph. This more clearly show you that in Zone B have a 135 delivery trip per month. This is after we compare with other zone, this is the most sensitive. And for more clearly, this pie chart will make you guys more understand about that. This pie chart focus on the frequency of combined trip only in Zone B, and we found that in zone only one trip in Zone B is combined, and 134 trip is not combined. So we can summarize that in Zone B has a lower efficiency transport combination. Sorry. And for the next step, we would like to go page to show you before Kaizen workflow. Okay, the first step, we start from customer submit PO to TTCC by request the delivery date. And then TTCC submit OD to TTKL as customer request. After that, TTKL send the loading plan and we can apply to TTKA. And finally, TTKA align the part to customer. Customer A on Monday, B on Tuesday, 3 on Wednesday, and 4 on Friday. So after our locate, we found that the truck is no combination because of the customer request a different delivery due date. So we would like to set our target transportation in Zone B 20% within the end of August.
Yay!
And the next step is about analysis countermeasure. Please welcome Ms. Kunapam.
ขอบคุณครับ Thank you very much, and thank you for everyone for the role. In the next step, we will go to is after we know the problem area, that is TTC and the consumer. Now we will go to find why out in zone B have a low competition. Starting from the first goal, the material, because of our size of the parent and the part have differently. So sometimes it's difficult for us to fit the part and the current in the truck. And then for the man, because at now our marketing agency have some workload, so they do not have much time to increase operation. And after that, for the machine, because in TTKL warehouse now we have only three loading areas. And if the part come together at the same time, the part will have to ship better. And the last one is the shipment delay, because sometimes we use urgency shipment and different delivery date from the customer. So we have to use the security truck delivery part. And those are the process we use in Correct. And after discussing QC group, we shoot the method different delivery date to the customer in the same area to be the root cause of truck row combination in zone B. And after we get the root cause, we will go next to the analysis process. This one is the check sheet show the schedule in delivery schedule in zone B period June 2015. In this schedule show that the consumer name and the sub area in zone B and delivery date here. For example, in zone B, for example in the Bangkok area, there are 4 customers in this area, but the delivery days separately are on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Same as our area, because we have only 3 customers here, but delivery days separately on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. From the check sheet, it supports the information that the customer use delivery the part in the delivery days different days, and we connect to the countermeasure. And for the countermeasure, we will use the tree diagram to find how the customer in the same area combine the delivery day together. In which condition do not affect on customer safety stock. And for the tree diagram, we can correct the 3 topics from this diagram. The first one is section manager and team should TC for control the delivery plan. And next, TTC, TTKL, and TTKA cooperate invest on the system to set the truck route. And next, to inform TTKA to consult the truck route document for TTC. After we get the confirmation of this, we will go next to the criteria by using the metric diagram. As you can see from the table, the result of impact, time frame, and cost of countermeasure makes our group choose the topic number 3 and number 1 to be the first and the second, priority to do the implementation. So after we get the topics, we will go to the action plan. On the action plan, the first one inform TTKA to consult to set truck route document for us. For this one, we start kick off from June 2015 until August 2015, and we can finish at our target. And next, section manager and team should the PIC to control delivery plan. For this one, we will start after on the middle of July until August 2015, and we also complete. And next, after we can get the countermeasure and action plan, we would like you to see the second low pay for our group role we use. This will come up. From the new workflow, first, we we would like to show the truck route document. Right now we have the truck route document in the step. Starting from the customer submit PO by following the delivery date in the truck route. And then TTDC submit the OD to TTKL by the referred truck document also. And next, TTKL submit the brand loading and reply the part to TTKA. After that, TTKA pick up the part to the customer by referred truck document and deliver the combined cargo to the customer. On Monday, customer number 1 and number 2, and on Tuesday, customer number 3 and number 4. Thank you for the role play. And these are all the role we show in the role play. The result of new workflow, we can get reduction the truck from the flow from 4 truck to 2 truck to deliver to the customer. And next, we will show you about the truck document before and after Kaizen. Before Kaizen, we use the truck around 8 truck delivery the customer in this area. But after Kaizen, after we fix the delivery date on each day, the truck reduced to 3 truck delivery to 8 customer. And next, this is the workflow we use right now in Zone B. In this truck document, it consists of the delivery date, the truck number, and the truck type, and then the customer in this area and the timetable. And after we get everything workflow and action plan, we would like to see next for the result. I will show you the result by the bar graph. In the bar graph, in the blue bar, this one is show the total trip before Kaizen. That is 135 trip, and then we set up target to reduction the trip to 20% or 109 trip. And after we implement the automation, we can reduce the trip to 98 trip, or we can achieve more than our target to 27%. And after that, we convert the trip to the merit amount. Before Kaizen, we spent around 0.31 million baht per month for the before Kaizen trip. And after Kaizen, we can reduce the cut cost to 0.22 million baht per month. So that is the gap between before and after Kaizen. We can reduce the trip. We can reduce the merit cost around 0.09 million baht per month. And if we can control the standard and control and set the truck route to in Zone B, we can possible that we can get the merit in yearly 1.1 million. And next is we will show you the standard and control we use in these activities. This one is the same as the role play we show you, but we add the timetable here. Starting from the customer submit the PO to TTC before 1 week, and TTC receive the PO. Next, TTC submit the OD to TTKL by for the truck document on email 2. And if the next day, TTKL submit handling to TTKA, and TTKA prepare combine the truck to the customer by the truck route on before 1 day. In the next day, the combined cargo will be read to the customer. And next, Ms. Vikanda will come to summary about the benefit and difficulty we get from the SLT. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Pratham. Members of operation in these activities, TTC and TTKA and TTKL. And the next summary. For our summary, atmosphere is we making relationship between section, department, and whole company, having a chance to sharing idea and brainstorming, knowing the operation of TTKA and TTKL more clearly, having a chance to learn about the Kaizen method step by step, and difficulty the lead time for implement this activity is too short, and some factors such as urgent case or from customer delay to shipment and delivery to delay shipment to customer cause our delivery chains. Next activity, continue to implement this activity to every store. And this is all QTC in this year. We will show the performance by the radar graph. This is all before Kaizen, and after Kaizen we increase performance. And X-axis QTC acknowledge. This is us QTC before Kaizen, and after Kaizen we more knowledge and clearly about QTC activities. Okay, thank you, Mr. Itipong, QTC trainer, and sorry, thank you, Mr. Itipong, QTC trainer, and TTK, TTKL. If we not support from TTKA and TTKL, we cannot complete this activity. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. This time to Q&A session, I'd like to invite West Terminator to give a question, please.
Firstly, I would like to know about Zone B. Do you mean is only Bangkok, right?
Yes.
Okay. According to your presentation, the area where you in Kaizen activity is only Bangkok, and I would like to know where is the next area you do Kaizen activity next.
Thank you for the question. For your question, we expect to continue the Kaizen to another zone, like zone C and zone D, because it's, the frequency of the trip here is the second and the third frequency of trip in these two zones. So in next time, we expect to continue the Kaizen on these two zones.
Thank you for your question. Thank you. As there has a presentation without TTKA support, this activity cannot achieve. I'd like to invite Kawada-san, TTKA president, to give a comment for this group.
Hello, my friend, GPD guys. This is Kawada, president of TTK and World Product and Logistics Division. First of all, GPD team proceed at KCC finals contest every year. It's amazing, and I'm proud of you guys. For your Kaizen activity, it's a very wonderful one, because result of the Kaizen improvement amount is quite high, very huge. And also, as you mentioned, this activity is cooperation, co-work with TTKL and the TTKA as well related company. It's very good activity. And today's presentation itself is very attractive, because you prepare utilizing the handmade tools, and it made everyone understand easily, clear. So I'm sure top management put excellent score for you. That's for sure. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much, Kawada-san and Pinelli. Then we will continue